Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to put together and do a review on this 2-shelf utility cart. Here's what it's going to look like when it's done. This is everything that comes in the box, and we're going to be following the directions, which are very easy. Okay, so find the bottom shelf, then we're going to slide these brackets into it. Now make sure you slide them in all the way against there. There's a bigger side and a smaller side. The smaller side goes to the top. Now you want to hug that corner, and it should slide in there like a really tight fit there. And then that's how it's going to look. So what's nice is all of the screws are the exact same size. So I'm just going to screw this in. There we go. Okay, so let's try a number 3 Phillips bit. I think that's going to work a little better. Yep, that's nice and tight. Okay, so turn the top shelf upside down. Then with all 4 of these legs on here, you're going to slide them into these little grooves. And you can make sure you push down really hard to kind of get it to seat. Then we're going to put a screw in those. Okay, so do like we just did before. Number 3 Phillips, same screw. We're going to do that for all 4 now. Okay, so now we're going to put the wheels on. And it looks like there's 6 holes, but you're only going to use 4 of them. And it's kind of the ones that are closest to the outside. So you're going to use those 4 holes, put all 4 screws in. Now it said to put the ones with the locks away from the handle. 2 of the wheels have locks. I mean, you could put them over here because they all turn. Okay, so then in about 5 minutes you can have this together. I couldn't imagine putting it together without an impact gun and a number 3 screwdriver bit or Phillips bit. They did give me 1 extra screw. It seems very sturdy, so now let's turn it over. Okay, so the cart looks really nice. It rolls really easy on carpet, hardwood floors. You know, the dimension between the shelves is right about 19 1/4, but you got about 22 when you put it down. Off the floor, you're looking at about, right around 33 inches. So one of the main reasons I bought it is for its size, its durability. I like having this little area right here, put a drink, but it just rolls really nice. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.